Hey guys, thank you for clicking on this video. So this video is going to be about how I prep my hair for a wash and go before I go on holiday, how I maintain my wash and go whilst I'm on holiday and the products that I'm going to use, and also how I pack products and exactly what I bring, because I'm only taking a hand luggage, so I can't take my full-size products. So showing you how I get around that, and yeah, what I plan on doing if I'm getting my hair wet, if I'm not getting my hair wet, and all that good stuff. So if you think you'll find that useful, then continue watching. Make sure you're following me on Instagram, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And yeah, thanks for watching. So for this trip, I'm going to do a wash and go, and I was thinking, I don't think I've ever actually wore my hair out in a wash and go on any of the trips I've been on before. So I'm going to give it a go. Hopefully I don't end up with a matted mess by the end of the week, but we shall see. Okay, so the products I'm going to use for the wash and go is the Sunny Isle Knot Free Forever Leave-In Conditioner. Then I'm going to go in with the Sunny Isle Extra Dark Jamaican Black Castor Oil. And then I'm going to go in with my Argan Oil Eco Styler Gel. So my hair is currently in 4 sections. Also, I kind of sit with a towel on my head for a little while before I start actually applying products. I know most people like to have completely soaking, dripping wet hair to apply their products, but I've actually found that my wash and goes come out better if my hair isn't drenched. Does anybody else find that? If there is somebody else out there that is like that, please let me know in the comments, because I feel like I'm the only one. I literally have not come across anybody else that likes to have semi-dry hair to apply their wash and go products. So let me know if you're one of those people. Okay, so all of my products are applied. My curls are looking defined. Wow, I look super white. But yeah, my curls are looking defined. So now I'm going to air dry for the rest of the day, and I'll be back to show you my next steps. So my hair has been air drying for, what's the time now? About 5 hours. It's far from dry. It's probably like 50 to 60% dry. So the ends are all dry and they've kind of gone crispy and hard, as you can see, because of the gel, and it shrunk up and it's still pretty flat. This is how my hair looks when it's air dried before I fluff it out. So the last step for prepping my hair, tomorrow morning, so I go tomorrow morning before I leave, I'm going to get a blow dryer and blow dry the roots of my hair whilst I pull on the ends, as a way to stretch my hair and to make sure that all of it is dry. It will still be flat when I do that. I'm not going to fluff it out tomorrow morning. I'm only going to blow dry at the root, and then I'm going to put it up into this same bun that I'm about to do now. So again, just blow dry at the root, put it up into this loose, messy bun. What this does is stretch my hair without ruining the curls. And then I'm not actually going to fluff my hair out to get the volume until I'm in the country that I'm going to. So when I actually arrive in France, that is when I'm going to fluff my hair. So it's just this simple little top knot bun. I literally just looped my hair in the hairband twice. It's really loose. It's obviously not slicked up because I don't want to ruin the curls at the root. So I will wear my hair like this after blow drying the root. This is how I'll be on the plane. This is how it will be when I'm traveling to my accommodation. Then once I'm there and ready and settled and like showered and everything, and when I'm like getting dressed, putting makeup on to go out for the first time, that is when I will fluff my hair out using a wide tooth comb to get the volume that you usually see my hair with. Now, to maintain it through the week, of course, I cannot take full-size products because I'm only taking hand luggage. So one, there's not enough room for all of that, and two, you're not actually allowed to take bottles that are more than 100 mils on a plane when you've only got hand luggage. So I took a little trip to Primark and picked up these travel size bottles. It has 5 different bottles. So these 3 are 100 mils, these 2 are 80 mils. It also has like a little pot in there as well. So what I'm going to do is squeeze the leave-in conditioner, so the same leave-in conditioner that I used to style my hair. I'm going to squeeze this into one of the 100 ml bottles. From my previous trips, I have a little pot like this. These are from Boots and it is 60 mils. So I'm going to put my Eco Styler gel in here. It looks like a tiny amount, but I'm not going to be doing a full-on wash and go again when I'm there, so I'm only going to need small amounts of gel if I decide to put my hair up in a puff or if I need to do my edges or something like that. So I only need a tiny amount of gel. So I'm just going to squeeze in my leave-in conditioner. So again, the same leave-in conditioner that I used to initially style my hair. There's probably only about 100 mils left in this anyway, but I have to take it in a small bottle. So what I plan to do with this, so if my wash and go does stay intact and my curls still look good, then what I'm going to do is just use this as like a daily moisturizer. So I'll squeeze out some leave-in and then just scrunch it through my curls. I don't think I'm going to be in a pool. I'm definitely going to be near seawater. Whether I go into the seawater and actually put my head underwater, I'm not too sure yet. I'm not going to let my hair ruin my fun, so if that opportunity does come up, then I'm going to be in the water. I love the sea. So if my hair does get wet, then I'm going to need to wash it when I'm back at the house. So I will wash my hair and I will use the leave-in conditioner as the only product that I use to moisturize my hair. So I will put this through and then use that little pot of gel to just slick my hair back into a bun or something like that. So I won't be doing another wash and go, but I will be using the gel to slick it into a bun so that it doesn't take too much work. Wash it, still wet, put it up into a bun and just go. Got my big old gel and my little tub. I'm literally just gonna scoop out some gel and plonk it into the tub. And you'll actually be surprised at how much gel can fit into this little tub. Like, that was a big scoop and not even half of the tub is filled. Here is my gel for the week. So that's my 2 leave-in products sorted. In case I do actually need to wash my hair, I'm going to take this small shampoo by OGX. They have travel size products. So I'll take 1 shampoo and I'm going to take 2 of their conditioners, 2 just because I've got a lot of hair and one of these is not going to cover my whole head. These are 88.7 mils, so I don't have to be squeezing these into different bottles. I can just take these on the plane. I'm yet to find a brand that does travel size products at the maximum 100 mil, because it's annoying. Like, people with natural hair tend to have a lot of hair, so if it's less than 100 mils, it's gonna run out quite quickly. So yeah, if you do know any brands that do travel sizes at 100 mils, then please let me know. That would be super helpful. Lastly is just how I'm actually gonna pack the products in my suitcase. With liquids on a plane, you have to keep them in a clear bag. So you can either use the bag that came with the little bottles. I'm not going to do that because it's not very sturdy and it can open. So also from Primark, I got some clear bags that actually zip up, so it's a bit more secure. So it comes with 3 different sizes. I think I'm going to use the middle one. Perfect, so that's perfect. So it all fits in with more room left for like my body cream and makeup. That will all go in this bag. And yeah, that is literally all I'm going to take for my hair. So shampoo, conditioner just in case, gel, and a leave-in conditioner, which will almost definitely get used. So yeah, zip that up, pop it in my case, and I am good to go. I don't think there's actually anything else that I'm planning on doing. If there's anything that I've missed out, please let me know in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Follow me on Instagram. I'll be posting loads, keeping up with me on my stories and everything. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment and subscribe and all that good stuff, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.